figure it out.
Good morning, everybody. We are prepping the Corvette. So what we do for this is we have coolers, snacks, boxes that we have to do. Good morning, guys. Day 5 of the great race. We are currently going to our start position again to get our instructions, and then to actually start the race, we have to do our calibration run for a little bit and then get to the real start line.
Yep. Today's going to be a little bit more challenging because we're starting car number 24 and we are not in a Grand Champion sandwich this time.
No.
So the people in front of us and the people behind us, they've never won anything, so they're not going to be a great measure of how we're doing. So this time we're really going to be pushed to run our race and our race only.
Got to be super on it.
We got this.
We got this.
Yeah, we do.
Okay, so we are sitting up at class right now. Joe's ready to grab our packet. We have how much time? 10 minutes? Okay. Who's gonna send me in? Sounds good. Okay, Joe's doing her math in here. I'm looking for my math girl. There she is. Look at her diligently working.
I gotta tell you real quick. On our first actual page of time directions, we have 2 tricky turns. The first one is tricky because it's super sharp, but we have to apex it at 19. Okay. But it's really sharp.
I can do that.
1, go. 45 miles an hour. All right. And our next turn is going to be a Riley side. Out at 35 miles an hour. It'll be a little hard to see. It'll be on a street called 1118.
The thing.
It's a marmot.
What was that?
That was a marmot.
What's a marmot?
They're a big rodent. They're really cute.
Okay, what was the street name?
It'll be 1118.
This one?
Riley side. Yes,
So
this
here.
one. Here, and it'll be out at 35 miles an hour, okay? Out at 35 miles an hour on this one here.
I'm gonna have to.
It's okay, I got an Apex 20 anyway, so just start making 35 fast.
No, actually, Apex 20.
Okay, perfect.
235?
35. Let me know when you're comfortable at 35.
Copy.
Alright, you're gonna speed up to 38.5 and I'm gonna count you down, okay? Back down to 35, let me know.
38.5.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. At that sign right there, we're gonna split 30 down to 25. 30 down to 25 at this yellow sign right here.
Okay.
Alright. Going 25 miles an hour.
Slay navigator.
That was so good. And I got it on video.
Slay navigator.
25 miles an hour, you're doing great.
we just made it to the second start. We just had a pause interval time so that we could go to the gas station, go through a town, make stoplights, etc., etc. And we're going to be getting back onto the road in about 10 minutes. Stop, it's so cute. That's so cute.
That brought me so much joy.
That's all I wanted in life, to see a buggy.
Well, we got the buggy on video. Where are we going? We're just going, following this street.
Don't turn. That semi made me want to bite on.
Yes, but we made it up.
I know.
We did hot math and we made it up.
Hot girl math.
Hot girl math.
And who says hot girl math isn't a thing?
Exactly. There's our courthouse, so we are going to go Joe's side.
Girl math, girl math, girl math.
Are we gonna take the first exit Joe's side?
Oh, there's Mia. Mia.
Hi. Should have stopped recording or keep recording. We should get more footage through towns, actually.
Oh, yeah, but like, yeah, you're right.
Plus, that way the boogie can end up. Well, the boogie's definitely ended up in the YouTube video tonight. Kentucky's really pretty.
Do you want to turn here, Sweets? Or do you want to 5-star? We're gonna turn
These
here.
are our options, so whatever you're comfortable with.
Ooh, sorry.
They've been winning best time of the day.
Really?
Yeah, for 2 days in a row now. They're doing really good.
Go them. Oh. I'm gonna run you over. Skirt. Take out the competition.
Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Okay guys, so we just made it out from lunch. We are at our third start of the day. How do you think our stage 2 went?
We're not going to talk about it.
I think we did well. Joe, we got stuck behind a really slow trailer, and then we made like
threw me off for the rest of the
minor
run.
little mistakes, but I think we're gonna do okay.
We'll find out.
We'll find out.
Oh.
Oh no, we get our time slip now. I'm scared. I don't want our time. I don't want our time.
Here you go. Order a star for tomorrow.
Thank you.
Okay. One thing, your scores are fair, but they're all early today. Every one of them. So you may want to think about that.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
There you go.
Really rough.
I've got something for you. You were the Stage 4 Rookie Division winners. First place, Stage 4, and not only do you get this nice plaque for being first rookie, you get a $250 gift certificate from Coker Tire for some new tires. There you go. Starting to figure it out.
Hey guys, so it's day 5, nighttime. We didn't do as well as we thought we would. We had the right speedo number for calculations, and I didn't put it in correctly, and it happens. But we were 13 seconds early, no matter what, on everything.
And everyone's had a bad day before too, and our day wasn't even bad. It was
It was
just,
a minute and 8
we
seconds.
were a little too fast, that's all.
And with our drop, it was 50 seconds. So that's not bad.
Terrible.
But we do have some really exciting news.
We got that in from yesterday.
Yeah, that's from yesterday's W. And then we're going to get another one for tomorrow's.
It's a little reminder of what we're doing it all for, right?
Right.
Right.
And also, I would like to say that we saw, what did we see? I can't ever say it
We
right.
saw 3 marmots.
And in our language, that's from the Jessi Combs. You were explaining it to me.
Yes, so the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally was very special to Jessi, and on the motorcycle rally there's these little rodents called marmots that sit on the side of the road, and a lot of Jessi's girls have tattoos of marmots with the polka dot welding helmets, so we took it as a sign of good luck.
Yeah, and we also heard that she drove, when she drove this race, really fast and got
With a
yelled
lead
at.
foot.
And we drove 13 seconds plus fast on every round.
So we think maybe she was telling us to slow down.
Just a little bit. So we will see you for day 6. Great race. We're gonna kill it because now we got the car down. We have consistency.
We're doing amazing.
We're doing amazing.
Woohoo!
Bye guys.